outside. Like graphic design, screen prints.
Babe. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this
is legit like a club.
This is the comedy club, or where the comedy club must be.
Oh, dude, those look happy.
Those look really nice.
Well, look at this. This is like VIP over here. They have their own little area.
Oh, dude, I could sleep right here.
Okay, get your feet off, bro. Come on.
I could pass out right here.
Ooh, look at the chandeliers.
Well, this one will up. Alright, step back in time.
Now, this is
This is
probably
cool.
High-end Irish pub. Well, maybe not every day.
You nice?
close.
I won't be here every day.
Bryce.
Oh, good. The bathroom's separate from the shower.
And that's what I said.
That's so nice. Happy birthday.
Where is Bryce gonna sleep?
That thing folds out pretty cool, actually.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys should have got bunk beds.
Oh, what?
I now want to see everybody doing the cruise stop dance. I'm gonna teach you.
We're not going anywhere yet.
What's up?
I'll jump over the edge for fun.
From here, you can see the slide that goes over the deck.
Hello, friend. Hi. Come take a picture with Goofy. Hi, Goofy. Oh, yeah, there.
Look at this.
So the stuff here at Panties. They say if you sit down front, you can watch them so they'll interact with you.
People are already sitting
I
down.
know. I was getting ready to text. I'm gonna text Mom and Gary.
So we just got done watching the little show, and it was really cute. No, I didn't record any of it. We weren't allowed to record any of it. Now we're gonna go shopping.
People were doing it.
Shopping. Don't be a turd. I told you to record everything. Obviously not me walking out the door.
No, it's lobster.
Oh, it's lobster?
Everybody got this shirt but me. I'm trying to get it. Okay. I got the French onion soup. Where's the lobster? The round top.
Was the stuff you tried?
Farmhouse salad.
Right now.
Out of the way. Back directions are terrible.
That's her version of the story. Okay, even though you're in a second, tell that you're punishing yourself more than a ticket.
Where I was guarding black colors.
It disappeared now, you can't see it.
Up, side, down.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or asked the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Boring, wouldn't it? So, enter the handsome prince determined to save his beauty. Hello,
I've been
what do you
saying
speak for us? You forgot. Moon River? Very nice.
Get it, Gary.
I'm crossing you in style someday.
Record yourself.
We're about to go to breakfast.
No, record your face. So we are just about, we're getting ready. We're in Key West. We're getting ready to go, what are we doing?
Jet ski.
Jet skiing. I almost said skydiving.
You wish.
I wish. It's around 12:27 and yep. See you out on the waves.
Nice, Troy. I'm proud of you. How about a big raise?
What do you do?
Troy.
I'm not gonna say it.
Troy got top business person.
Number one in the West.
Way around.
It looks horrible.
Thank you.
It's virgin.
Not virgin.
It looks like. Oh, sorry. Brendan didn't bring that.
What they can't do these days.
It's a race to 9. They took the elevator, I took the stairs, but I'm pushing the button at every floor, so the elevator has to stop at every floor. And that's why I won.
You were hitting those.
No.
Yeah. Get stopped.
Yours is twisted. Half of them are upside down. The only one that's got it on right is you, and I asked for a bra, not a hammock. Ladies, this is where we want them. This is where they are. Are you ready? Let's go.